YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Lex Jr. coming at you with another video. All right, y'all, this is going to be the first point of view video of the year. Hopefully y'all like this type of content, and if you do, leave a like down below, comment, subscribe. We're going to be cutting up to a car meet tonight. We're going to be going to 2 in this fresh ass Mama Lonskas. I'd gap that shit. Anyways, back to the Mama Lonskas. We got the orange pumpkin here, built, as you can see, ZL1 front end, stock ass wheels. We're not gonna get about that, but we're gonna be going to 2 car meets slash truck meets tonight. Let's see how things go, y'all. Hopefully we don't get arrested. Hopefully nobody gets locked the fuck up. Let's see how everything goes. Right on, brother. Crackheads. Anyways, so we're gonna be cutting up with this truck. Let's see how things go. Hopefully the police aren't there, but hopefully y'all like this type of content. It's gonna be the first point of view content, and I have not done this yet. Let's see how this goes. Let's go. Oh, hi. I wonder if y'all can see this, but there's hella tape stuck on the top because, well, we literally had to rip the tin off. The tape came off on all my cars. God damn, these potholes is bigger than the ones in Oakland. God. No, but I wanted a lower truck. She worked. She worked. Oh my God. I almost killed this lady. Get out the street, bitch! Nah, I'm just playing. I would put some like Netflix for y'all, but y'all need that shit. Just listen to this beautiful truck. Y'all, there is way too many people in the street. Get out the street. Move, bitch. GPS says it's my turn now. All right, we got a little tunnel right here. Give y'all some ear candy. Yep, sounds just like a Honda Prelude. Oh! Alright. We're like 2 minutes from the spot. Let's keep it chill, just in case the Rollers is out here. They said it was supposed to be here. Maybe I didn't get the invite. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, we are actually hitting up 2 meets tonight. Is everybody at fucking... Oh, the only thing I don't like about this shit is that I don't have my front windshield. What, go left?
Yes.
Right now? Turn now. What is there here? What is there here? There is a Hondeezy. That should probably push like 1,500 horsepower. Right on, right on. Oh, we got Fox bodies over here. Okay. I could be hella ignorant right now and blow this shit up, but we're not gonna do that. Let's change the light up. Oh, okay. Y'all seen that? I instantly grabbed for the shifter. You're trying to be on some hot shit. I don't know why. It's just an instinct. We're not gonna do too much of that. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Do you feel like getting down?
Yeah.
You do? Fuck. Oh, I didn't get shit camming. Yeah, my shit looking kind of crazy right now. It looked good for a half-ass wash. All right, let's walk around and start bugging people. 350Z. We got C10. This shit clean as hell. IROX. I know I kind of parked like an asshole, but it's alright. Scat pack. This shit clean. This shit got slicks. Ain't feeling this fast. Headlight getting go crazy. I fuck with this shit. This shit hard, block. Carbon wrap skis, okay. Red wrap. It's clean. Sport PT Cruiser. Nah, that's a Mini Cooper. Would you get one of those? Imagine it with a fat ass wing.
Herbie.
I fuck with it though. Should I get one of these? No? I like it. Not the drop, but I like the color and everything. It's clean. Stock, the bumper ain't the same color. They paint match it. It's clean. It look better. I should have brought my Mustang. They got all the Mustangs lined up over here, and they got all of my Malonas over here. This shit clean. How come I never see these cars? Like I never drive around and find these cars, but today got all nice ass shit. They stopping shit over here. Yeah, it's time to go. They doing all that. I'm trying to get out of here. F Badiana. You got a lot of cool shit out here. Look at this J. That shit hard, blood. Bop, 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 bop. That shit chopping. We need to get this motherfucker sound like that motherfucker right there. That shit sound good though. You wanna go other meat? Alright, time to. Oh damn, blood, you almost got killed. No cap. Ooh, fuck, hold on, this boy's that way, so I gotta go left. Nah, that's kind of dry, huh? Everybody was just kind of like chilling. Like, bro, do a backflip. I'll pull over this 4-cylinder truck. Get the fuck out the way! Who gave you your license? As I ran a fucking yellow light? No, my miss. Mija, arréglate, ponte bonita. Oh, sorry. Two-step was on. Overdrive. Anytime now. Thank you. Mija, arréglate, ponte bonita. Come on, man. Good God, buddy, hurry fuck up. Waiting for Christmas? Y'all, so today I ended up finding out that I can put my bags. If you didn't know, but this truck is bagged. I have airlift suspension. And the bags have always been under 40 PSI since I owned the truck. And today I put them up to 60 and it feels a lot better. Like, a lot better. So now I'm thinking like, all these fucking times that I did donuts, I could have had my suspension stiff as fuck in the background. And my stupid ass didn't know that. No, not stupid. That sounds crazy. My dumb ass. No, that. Yo, this truck sounds so good. I still feel like I gotta do equal length headers though. Oh. There's a Hellcat. Hellcat swap Silverado. That'd be mania. Alright, y'all. Second meet. That shit hella clean too. Homie got the advanced thing over here. What the fuck, dude? I want one of these still. That shit's clean. That shit's nice. I feel like Sacramento meats are a lot better than Stockton meats.
100%.
Oh, this nigga shit clean too. Look, he got the hood. And I'm on my Loscas. This that baller truck that he got money. This shit clean. I need one of these, bro. The grill just looks so aggressive. Look at this shit. You can't sit in a truck like that and not feel like it's shit. G80. I low-key want to race one of these.
But
Yeah, like these are worth hella money. That's clean. I haven't seen one of these in a minute. This shit is nice though. It's a different. It's like this gives Oakland vibes. It's nice, clean. He on spinners too. That shit clean. Look, that's wet. That's that custom set. This shit clean. You know those are hella cheap right now, too?
yeah.
I don't know why, but the C8s. I don't see myself ever being in a C8. I lucky want to pretend like this ain't my truck and then see what people's reviews are. This nigga just humped the shit out that girl. That's crazy as hell. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm like restraining myself from fucking doing some bullshit right now. The color?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Like colorful? I could change it. Look, I thought I was colorful. This nigga got hella colors on his shit. That nigga got hella color going on. Oh, we're in the hot spot.
Hubiera traído mi Nissan.
Your Nissan Altima?
Doña María.
Twin turbo Nissan Altima? I like these a lot. I still want one. Scary thing.
Let's go.
Fuck it. I swear I don't do this on purpose. I just get bored of car meets real quick.
Oh.
Windows up, windows down.
No.
Down, up.
Up.
Alright. Let's get his moment. Let's get his moment. Okay, play. Did y'all see that Mustang though? That shit had like 15 Mexicans in the back of that shit. I was like, me next, me next. I've never seen a Mustang have that many people in that fucking, that's crazy. This is why I don't want to go 24s, because the way I drive this truck is not gonna be cheap, my boy. My truck's like, Yahweh, yeah. No más, compa.
No, la truck está feliz.
My truck's happy?
Yeah.
Shit, I hope so. God damn. Them brakes is cooked. If you fuck with the point of view content, leave a comment down below. Comment legacy, so I know that you want to see more of this point of view content, and I'll bring it to y'all. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.